Are on CNBC TV18. Before we talk about the commodities, let's just take a look at some of these stocks. Apollo Tyres, we were discussing what's happening in the tyre space. That stock is up 5% right now. Following this one is India Cements. The stock is buzzing today, up 3.5%. We've been talking about the consolidation, the big stake buy in India Cements by Ultratech Cements. So that stock is up 3.5%. GAIL, Petronet, LNG, ONGC, NTPC, some of these names from the oil and gas PSU space, that's doing really well. GAIL, we talked about it earlier, but ONGC also has picked up pace. So that stock is up around 2%. NTPC is the other one, which is up around 1.8%. PSU banking names, Bank of Baroda, this PNB, all of them higher in trade, anywhere between 2 to 4%. But let's talk about commodities now. Manisha joins in, and today we are focusing on rice. Manisha, what's happening there?
Oh, well, yes, you were talking about the tyre companies, and rubber is trading at a 13-year highs, by the way. We've seen further surge in the international markets onto that one. But yes, coming back to rice, and this is a commodity that actually has seen constant declines. You know, for this year, we started with nearly 17 cents in the international markets. We saw the prices go up to all the way to 19 cents as well. And currently, with 17% of a decline in last 1 week itself, with the major falls coming in the overnight markets in US, we are now trading at 14 cents. So a very sharp decline from its highs and from where we started this year as well. Well, rice has been declining because India, which is the world's largest rice exporter, could be coming back into the market. We are looking at a higher surplus this time around. The crop is also expected at 141 to 142 million tons, so that's quite on the higher side, and that means that you will see some rice coming back into the international markets. While of course some is going to be sold into the open markets within India as well. We have seen a notification to that effect already, and the new crop in Indian markets also will start coming into the month of October. The sowing numbers have been on the stronger side in any case. The feeling, or rather the kind of statement that we have seen go around via officials and via sources is that India could allow white rice exports with some of those restrictions taken over. The parboiled rice could see 20% of tax being taken off, and a fixed duty could be allotted there. The crop estimates, as I said, have been on the higher side, and that has been putting pressure not just in the Indian rice prices but the global rice markets as well.
Okay, thank you very much for that. We will slip into a very short break. We'll come back and address the market technicals. Soni Patnaik from JM Financial Services joins in on the other side.